So, guys, here in Africa, we are heading to where we get our mineral water. Those are yams. This is the road that takes us there, though it's slippery during the rains. This is how it looks like. It's in the evening. So, finally, we are here. This is where we get our mineral water for drinking. Yeah. So, guys, let me advise you. It's good sometimes to be in the village because you get to interact with the environment. Yeah, this is a cat tree. You see it's green all over. So here in the village it rains like once per day, at least once daily. So I don't know what happened. It hasn't rained, but it rarely does. It rarely does not rain. So this is the environment. See how tall the trees are. Right there you can see yams. Are they really yams or arrowroots? I think arrowroots. So this is where the stream flows. Let me go there so that you can see. This is the water. Very safe for drinking, washing. It flows that way towards this side. Okay, guys, this is where we get our mineral water from. Some people use this water to bathe, cooking, doing all house chores. Yeah, for me, I'll tap it the other side where I showed you so that I can use it for drinking and cooking. And if you follow my videos, there's a place where I have shown you where we get our water for washing. Because this is a very far place, this is where we get our water from stream. So we usually do rainwater and this mineral water and stream water. Only that. So at the end of the day,